So okay guys, welcome once again to this tutorial. So in this very short video, I want to share with you guys how to cut out this gown. It's actually a flare gown, okay? If today is your first time of watching my video, you're highly welcome. Please like, comment and share this video for more sewing tutorials. So for this very style, you need about 3 yards of fabric. You need a zip and another plain fabric for that. Okay, so I have the length of my Ankara fabric like this. This is the length, right? And now this is the width. Okay, so we are going to be folding this in a bias. So just pick this edge and fold it once like this. Okay, so this is how we fold it once. So after folding it like so, you go ahead and mark out. You can go ahead and mark out your zip allowance. Okay, so you can go ahead and just, that is if you want to make use a zip, just mark your zip allowance. You can actually mark it, or you can just leave it. Or just mark the straight line so that it will serve as your zip allowance. Then you go ahead and fold it once again, because we are trying to cut out the front piece and the back piece together. So this is just how to do it. Okay, so you fold it like so. So as you can see, okay, let me make the zip allowance more visible so that you guys will be seeing everything very well. So this very point I'm leaving, it is going to serve as the zip allowance. That's if you are making use of zip allowance. So after this, you divide your shoulder measurement by 2. Okay, so now you start to fit in. Maybe my shoulder divided by 2 is 2 inches. So now I have the 2 inches at this point. So I'll just go ahead and draw a line. Okay, your shoulder divided by 2. This is just the way it is. Okay, so I have my shoulder divided by 2. So after this, I'll mark the width of my neck, 2.5 or 3 inches. So now, since I'm cutting the front and the back piece together, I'll first of all mark the depth of the neck for the back piece. So for the depth of the neck for the back piece, you have to make use of 1 inch. Okay, so now for the back, for the front piece, 1.5 inches for the width of your neck. Do you guys get? So now this is back neckline and this is the front neck. Okay, so after this, you go ahead and mark your bust line. Okay, you go ahead and mark your bust line just like this. So now this line is my bust line. That is your shoulder to bust. So from your shoulder to bust, you have to go up by 2 inches. And the reason why you're going up by 2 inches is because this is an outer neckline. You don't have to make use of your chest line for the depth of the armhole. So for the depth of the armhole, just go up by 2 inches from your bust line. So by the time you go up like so, you just use your French curve. Okay, so but before then, you come to this armhole depth line, divide your shoulder measurement by divide your bust circumference measurement by 4. Okay, so when you divide your bust circumference measurement by 4, then you would have to use your French curve from the width of that neckline. You connect it to this very point. So with that, you are just done for this very part. Okay, so after this, now the next thing is for you to determine the length of your gown. So this very gown, because of the way we fold it, as you can see, the inner part now is short while this one is long. This is just because of the style, the way we are folding it to achieve this exact design. But then after that, you can go ahead and cut out extra fabric to complete this very length. Okay, it's just the way. There is no way you fold except if you are using maybe another fabric apart from Ankara fabric. So from here, I'll go ahead and mark the the length of my gown. So let's assume the length of the gown is 6 inches. So I just make sure that I get 6 inches at every end. From the shoulder line here, you mark the length of the gown. So after that, I'll just connect it. So now this is the length of my gown. Maybe if you want to be on the safer side, if you want to join another fabric under it, you can make the gown shorter. So you cut out extra fabric to add to the hem so that you will not have to have shortage at this point. Okay, so this is just it. So after this, I'll have to come here and let me cut out this very part. So then that is just it. So now this is the, I didn't separate it very well. I have to separate the front piece and the back piece together. You know, it was unfold at this very point. So let me just open it up and separate it very well. Okay, so now this is the back. Okay, and then this is the zip allowance for the back. So now this is our front neckline. So then before you open it up, or you can just open it up before you cut out, you can open it up, place this one like so that you cut out the neckline for them. What's the name for the back, right? So now this is the neck for the back. You know, the depth of the neck for the front and the back, they are not the same. So that is what I'm just trying to take out. So you get the depth of the neck, and then, or if it will be hard for you, you can just place it together like this. Place it all together. Put this front like this so that we can indicate it just like so. By that way, you will just be able to curve it. Okay, so that you cut out the back neck depth. All right. All right. So now I've cut it out. So this is the zip allowance. So now we'll go to the front piece. So you're now going to cut out that depth of the neck, just like so. And with that, we are done. Okay, don't be the way mine the neck is, as you can see, mine is very sharp, and this is because I'm not working with actual body measurements. Okay, as you can see how pointed my neckline is. But anyways, I hope you guys understand this tutorial. This is a very simple tutorial. So if you want to, if the length is not complete, you can go ahead and join something under it to complete the length. Okay, so for the neckline, for the band at the neckline, you can join your front and back piece together, add the zip, then you take the round neck measurement before you then cut it out. It will be more easier for you by the time you join the front and back piece together. Take the round measurement. That's just it. It's okay, guys. If you like this video, please comment and share this video for more. See you guys on my next one. Bye.